Chapter number 21, Neural Control and Coordination. In this chapter, there are 6 topics. First topic, Neural System. 2.1.1 Neural System. The neural system of all animals is composed of highly specialized cells called neurons, which can detect, receive and transmit different kinds of stimuli. The neural organization is very simple in lower invertebrates. For example, in Hydra, it is composed of network of neurons. The neural system is better organized in insects, where a brain is present along with a number of ganglia and neural tissue. The vertebrates have a more developed neural system. Now, 2.1.2 Human Neural System. It is a chart, Human Neural System. It is divided into 2 parts, CNS and PNS. Human neural system is divided into 2 parts, CNS and PNS. CNS is subdivided into 2 parts, brain and spinal cord. CNS, site of information processing and control. PNS are 2 types, afferent fibers and efferent fibers. Afferent fibers transmit nerve impulses, tissue organ to CNS. Transmit nerve impulses, other tissue organ to CNS. Tissue or organ to CNS. And efferent fibers transmit nerve impulses from CNS to concerned peripheral tissue or organ. PNS is divided into 2 divisions, somatic neural system and autonomic neural system. For a somatic neural system relays impulses from CNS to skeletal muscle. So, এখান থেকে question দেয়, somatic neural system is relays impulses from CNS to skeletal muscle, and autonomic nervous system transmit impulses from CNS. Both are transmit impulses from CNS, but location is different to involuntary organs and smooth muscle. Cranial nerve 12 pair, spinal nerve 31 pair. PNS are further divided into sympathetic neural system and parasympathetic neural system. Now, যেটা চার্টে লেখা ছিল 2.1.2 ncert book में वही सा लिखा है. The human neural system is divided into 2 parts, the central neural system and the peripheral neural system. The central nervous system includes the brain and spinal cord and is the site of information processing and control. The PNS comprises of all nerves of the body associated with the CNS, brain and spinal cord. The nerve fibers of PNS are 2 types, afferent fibers and efferent fibers. The afferent nerve fibers transmit impulses from tissue or organ to CNS, and the efferent fibers transmit regulatory impulses from CNS to concerned peripheral tissue or organ. The PNS is divided into 2 divisions called somatic neural system and autonomic neural system. The somatic neural system relays impulses from CNS to skeletal muscles, while the autonomic nervous system transmits impulses from CNS to involuntary organs or smooth muscles of our body. The autonomic nervous system is further classified into sympathetic neural system and parasympathetic neural system. Visceral nervous system, it is included extra. What is visceral nervous system? What is visceral nervous system? It is a part of peripheral nervous system. তার মানে visceral nervous system PNS এর part. PNS means peripheral nervous system that comprises the whole complexes, nerves, fibers, ganglia and plexuses, by which impulses travel from CNS to viscera and viscera to CNS. Now, next topic 2.1.3 Neuron as structural and functional unit of neuron system. A neuron is a microscopic structure composed of 3 major parts, namely cell body, dendrites, axon. ये है cell body, ये है dendrites और ये है axon. The cell body contains cytoplasm with typical cell organelles and certain granular bodies called nuclear granule. The cell body contains cytoplasm with typical cell organelles contain cytoplasm কি রয়েছে nuclear granules. This is called nuclear granules, is present in cytoplasm and dendrites also. Short fibers which branch repeatedly and project out of the cell body also contain nuclear granules and are called dendrites. Dendrites তো nuclear granules তৈরি করে. These fibers transmit impulses towards the cell body. Dendrites post synaptic membrane থেকে বা post synaptic nerve থেকে নার্ভ ইম্পালস ডেনড্রাইটের মাধ্যমে সেল বডিতে আসছে। সো এখানে বলেছে দিস ফাইবার্স ট্রান্সমিট ইম্পালসেস টুয়ার্ডস দ্য সেল বডি। The axon is a long fiber and distal end of which is branched. Each branch transmit a bulb-like structure is called synaptic nerve. এখান থেকে কোয়েশ্চেন দেয়, বায়োলজিতে আছে কোয়েশ্চেনটা, the axon, the last movement of axon is called synaptic vesicle, synaptic nerve. Answer, synaptic nerve. The last bulbs of axon which possesses synaptic vesicle containing chemical called neurotransmitter. Synaptic knob এর মধ্যে থাকে গোল গোল synaptic vesicle, synaptic vesicle এর মধ্যে থাকে নিউরোট্রান্সমিটার গুলো কেবলমাত্র synaptic vesicle থেকে বেরিয়ে এসে নিউরোট্রান্সমিটার গুলো synaptic cleft-এর মধ্যে থাকে এবং জেনারেশনটা এই নিউরোট্রান্সমিটারের মাধ্যমে পোস্ট সাইন্যাপটিক মেমব্রেনে আসে এবং পরবর্তী নার্ভে চলে যায়। Based on the number of axon and dendrite, the neuron are divided into three parts, but multipolar, with one axon and two more dendrites. এটাই হচ্ছে একটা মাল্টিপোলার নিউরনের এক্সাম্পল, মোর ডেনড্রাইট অ্যান্ড অনলি ওয়ান অ্যাক্সন। মাল্টিপোলার, বাইপোলার, ইউনিপোলার প্রত্যেকটা নিউরনেরই একটাই মাত্র অ্যাক্সন থাকে। তো মাল্টিপোলার কোথায় দেখা যায়? সেরিব্রাল কর্টেক্সে। বাইপোলার with one axon and one dendrite found in retina of eye. One axon is bipolar, one axon and one dendrite. Next, unipolar, cell body with one axon only, found usually in embryonic stage. This is unipolar. The myelinated nerve fibers are enveloped with Schwann cells, which form a myelin sheath around the axon. The gaps between two adjacent myelin sheaths are called nodes of Ranvier. Myelinated nerve fibers are found in spinal and cranial nerve. Myelinated nerve fiber and unmyelinated nerve fiber. Myelinated nerve fiber is found in সিএনএস এর দিকে। সিএনএস কটা ভাগে বিভক্ত? সিএনএস ব্রেন অ্যান্ড স্পাইনাল কর্ড, সেই সিএনএস এর স্পাইনাল অ্যান্ড ক্রেনিয়াল নার্ভ হচ্ছে মাইলিনেটেড নার্ভ ফাইবার। আর আনমাইলিনেটেড নার্ভ ফাইবার পিএনএস এর দুটো ভাগ, যেখানে অটোনোমাস নার্ভাস সিস্টেম আর সোমাটিক নার্ভাস সিস্টেম, সেই পিএনএস এর দুটো ভাগই হচ্ছে আনমাইলিনেটেড নার্ভ ফাইবার দেখা যায়।